Hi everyone! Today I'm going to explain you how to do a final commit. This is very important because we are going to use that final commit in order to evaluate your app on each phase. So please pay attention. The process is very simple. Here in the project editor you need to click on the commit button, then click on yes because this is your final commit. Then we are going to ask you to fill our survey. You need to fill this survey on each phase. So here we are going to ask you how much time did you spend practicing your mashup design skills using the tutorial material. So please select the time that you spent. Then we are going to ask you to estimate your total effort in terms of time that you distribute between the different aspects of the task. So in my case, I'm going to say that I spent 90% on technology and 5% on analytics and another 5% on visualization for a total of 100%. Now we are going to ask you how much points you want to obtain on each phase, on each category, sorry. So this is like your desire. How much do you expect, do you want to obtain? So in this case, as I spent a lot of time on technology, I want to obtain a lot of points on the technology category and a bit less on visualization and analytics. Then here we are asking you actually how much you predict you are going to obtain. Like, be more realistic. How much points you predict you are going to obtain on each category. So, well, probably even if I spend a lot of time, I only will obtain 50 points on technology and 10 points on visualization of this technology and 10 points on analytics. Then here we are asking you how confident are you about the previous prediction. So I'm very confident about the technology score, but maybe the analytics and visualization score will change a bit. Now we are asking you, given the effort that you have taken to develop a high-performing mashup, what is your desired standing at the end of the contest? So you want to be in the top 3 or in the top 25%. So I expect to be in the top 3. And then we are asking you again to be more realistic. So how do you predict you will perform relative to other participants at the end? So I think I will maybe not be in the top 3, but I will be in the top 25, and I'm quite confident of that. Now we are asking you to tell us how much time did you spend learning or getting code from external sources. Remember that our reuse policy allows you to use code for external sources, but at least 50% of your application must be yours. Like, you need to code that by your own. So please select the proper option for each category. Then here we are going to ask you the GitHub email address that you are using in the contest. So this is to identify you in our database properly. And by the end we are going to ask you to sync, to put a digital signature here. That means that you agree with our honors code. And that's all. So keep in mind that in the next phase, in this case phase number 2, you need to use this project. We are not taking into account any change on the current project. You must switch to the new project. So when you hit next, you are going to be redirected to our project editor again, and you need to put your final message. So this is my final commit, and then click on the button send, and that's all. Thank you very much. We expect you to enjoy the contest, and good luck.